Hey everyone, it's Brittany, your friendly plant-loving internet stranger, back with another repotting video. I've been bringing in a few plants that I've had outside over the summer, and temperatures are starting to drop in my area, so it's time to get them back in the house and repot it. This plant is one that I didn't even think I needed to bring in the house until I walked past it the other day and saw it on the porch turning black. So I decided that if I wanted to keep it for next season, I should probably bring it in the house and repot it up. So the star of today's show is this Alocasia Nairobi Nights, and I'm actually going to be repotting this plant into a cup of dampened sphagnum moss. For some of the other plants that I brought in from outside, I did repot them in soil, but I'm testing out repotting a few of the plants brought in from outside with sphagnum moss to see how the root system develops and to determine which growing medium works the best for these plants that I'm transplanting. When I repot plants that were outside, I do like wearing gloves just to be on the safe side and make sure that I'm not putting my hands in any soil that could potentially be infested with critters. These are just some food prep gloves that I already had on hand, but you can use whatever gloves you have if you want to use them. To make cleanup easier, I like to put the entire pot inside of a plastic bag. Today I'll be using a recycled plastic shopping bag, and then I just dump out the entire container right in that bag, making cleanup a breeze. Once I get everything out of the pot, I like to take a look at the roots to just assess what we have. These roots are pretty short, so I think the pot that it was in was probably a little bit too big for it. And because the root system is on the shorter end, I think it'll fare quite well inside of the plastic cup with the moss I ended up repotting it into. Whenever I'm able to do so, I do like to save these single-use plastic cups and reuse them for plants. I'll either propagate plants in them or I'll repot a plant in them, as you see I'm doing here. I find that the moss is a really good growing medium, and for whatever reason, most of the plants that I put in sphagnum moss really take off, more so than they would when I plant them in soil. As I was filming this video, I did not realize that my mic was not turned on. So at this point, I am just showing you the plant potted up in the cup with the sphagnum moss. And this plant is good to go and will live in my IKEA plant cabinet. I'll do an update soon to share what the plant is looking like today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.